Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs of exercise chemistry 11 chapter 6 chemical bonding. First MCQs is an ionic compound AB is most likely to be formed when the ionization energy of A is high and electron affinity of B is low. Second option is the ionization energy of A is low and electron affinity of B is high. Third option is both the ionization energy of A and electron affinity of B are high. And fourth option is both the ionization energy of A and electron affinity of B are low. Their ionic bond is thought to be produced by complete transfer of electrons from an atom of low ionization energy to another atom with high electron affinity. So the exact answer is the ionization energy of A is low and electron affinity of B is high is correct answer of this question. Next is the number of bonds in nitrogen molecule is 1 sigma and 1 pi bond, 1 sigma and 2 pi bond, 3 sigma bonds and 2 sigma bonds and 2 pi bond. There the atom of nitrogen has 3 unpaired electron in outermost subshell. According to molecular orbital theory, the bond order of nitrogen molecule is 3. It means that there are 3 bonds in nitrogen molecule. One is sigma and 2 pi bonds. So the exact answer is 1 sigma and 2 pi bonds are present in nitrogen molecules. Next is which of the following statement is not correct regarding bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital possess less energy than atomic orbitals from which they are formed. Second option is bonding molecular orbitals have low electron density between two nuclei. Third option is every electron in the bonding molecular orbitals contributes to the attraction between atoms. And fourth option is bonding molecular orbitals are formed when the electrons waves undergo constructive interference. There, according to molecular orbital theory, when two atomic orbitals overlap with each other, they form two molecular orbitals. One is bonding molecular orbitals having lower energy and high electron density between the two nuclei. The other anti-bonding molecular orbital is of higher energy and low electron density between the two nuclei. So the exact answer is bonding molecular orbitals have low electron density between two nuclei. Which of the following statement is not correct? Second option is not correct in this question. Fourth MCQ is which of the following molecules has zero dipole moment? Ammonia, CH3, H2O or BF3. There the bond angles of BF3 are 120 degree. It has triangular planar molecular structure. The resultant dipole moment of BF3 is 0 because all three dipoles cancel each other. So the exact answer is BF3. Next, which of the hydrogen halide has the highest percentage of ionic character? HF, HBr, HCl or HI. There, greater the dipole moment, greater will be the percentage of the ionic character. The dipole moment of HF, HBr, HCl, HI are 1.90, 0.78, 1.03 and 0.38 respectively. Percentage ionic character of HF is 43%. It is the greatest due to its having maximum electronegativity difference. So which of the following halide has the highest percentage of ionic character? HF. Next, which of the following species has unpaired electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital? First option is cationic molecular ion of oxygen and second option is anionic molecular ion of nitrogen and third option is B2 and fourth option is F2. There the two electrons are present in anti-bonding molecular orbital of oxygen. If these two electrons are removed, it is converted into molecular cation which has no unpaired electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital. In case of nitrogen molecule, there are no electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. If two electrons are added, it is converted into anionic molecular ion. Then it will have two unpaired electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So the exact answer is second options. N2 minus 2 means anionic molecular ion of nitrogen. देर आज के लिए इतना ही. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.